Hi guys, a very good morning to you. Okay, this is actually for the new members, mainly in terms of like you may feel a little bit clueless, you may feel a little bit intimidated, maybe out of place, wondering like I joined Rotary, why is there so much of pressure in terms of getting table sales and ad sales and everything, and I don't know how to do it. Who do I approach? None of my friends have got businesses for them to advertise. How am I supposed to approach other people? All these questions, and also in terms of pledges, we also have got members who haven't pledged yet. I can understand the stress. It's like if I pledge and if it doesn't happen, then I have to end up paying. So the whole idea is that how do I mitigate that, or how do we mitigate that, right? So what we have done is that we came up with a method where you can actually send us your questions, because seeing me or seeing the team 1 week once may not be enough to actually ask all these questions. So this by doing this, we actually creating a platform where you can send us a question at any point in time, and what I'll do is that I'll reply in a form of a video. So there's no name needed, there's no email needed, there's no identification needed. You can simply state your question. So the first question would be, are we inspiring you? Have you pledged? Followed by, 1 second, let me just check. Would you prefer self-funding, or would you like to do for sponsors? That sort of thing. So that basically gives us an idea, how should we coach you, how should we mentor you, so that if you are looking for individual donors, there's a different method. If you're looking for corporate sponsors, there's a different method. And I'll be more than happy to share what we have done in the past, what other members have done in the past, what I personally done in the past, what problems have I actually anticipated, or what problems I've actually encountered before. Like for example, people not paying. They pledge for the ad, they give you the ad and you publish it, and then they don't end up paying. I have that problem. So how am I actually working on it? I had the first year, and I also had in the second year. So yeah, we're still trying to figure out how to actually solve these kind of problems. And there have been other problems that we have actually encountered, and if you encounter them, we or I maybe will be very happy to actually assist you in overcoming them. Alright, so the whole purpose of this video is just to inform you there is a platform. And where do you go to? It is installation2018.rcs.clinicdrkiran.com. I repeat, installation2018.rcs.clinicdrkiran.com. I mean, that's a website that I own, so I'll be able to do something on that site. So this is a platform that we have actually created, and I really hope to hear a lot of questions. I've got no issues answering a lot of questions. I'll be more than happy to do it. But start asking questions. Thank you very much.